What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on MULN stock.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news and I will show you that David Micheli doesn't have any chances to shield his own company in order to drive its price much higher. And I will show you why I think so. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video just couple of days ago, somewhere at this point, and I've told you that this asset found a decent support at a range of around 14 cents. And I also told you that most likely we should break this range in a matter of just next couple of sessions. And on the previous session we didn't break it because David Micheli published this video about their Mishawaka plant in Indiana. And I made a video regarding this plant and I've told you my thoughts about this and why I think that it is not a real production. It is just a leftovers and it is a pure misleading statements that they are preparing for the production of ELMS vans. Let me show you that in order to produce these vans, they have to import the spare parts because all of their vehicles are Chinese-made vehicles. As you can see, this is an iGo that is originally made in China. Next one, their Class 1 van, and it is also made in China. And let me show you that the price is much lower than the price from Mullen Automotive. And here is their truck, Class 3 truck. And definitely in order to produce, so-called produce these vehicles, they have to import some spare parts. But if we take a look on importgenius.com, the website which tracks all the import-export operations of any US-based company, you can see that they made only 3 shipments, and the last one was made back in October of 2022. They imported Class 2 electrical van. And previously, on July of 2022, they imported 4 vans, and I have to say that's all. There is no more vehicles or spare parts that was imported by them. If you take a look even on Bollinger Motors, the company 60% of which belongs to Mullen, you can see that Bollinger Motors, and we are on the same site, on the same website, Bollinger Motors made 6 shipments and they made a recent delivery just several days ago, less than a week ago. They received a cab assembly and previously they imported lithium-ion battery module, electric motors and again high voltage lithium-ion batteries from Germany, Italy, South Korea, China, and so on and so forth. So, and this means you cannot rely that David Micheli and Mullen Automotive will start their own production. Everything that they can do is just to try to deliver their leftovers from ELMS. On top of that, let me show you this article that was published by Bloomberg just several days ago on July 14th, and it's titled "Meme Stock Mullen's Dilution Machine is Running Out of Road." And if you read just one paragraph, basically one sentence. So, the share count ballooned by almost 700 times during the same period, a near 70,000% increase. And the period is from the beginning of 2022 till present day. So, in a matter of just 1.5 years, in a matter of just 18 months, the share count increased by 700 times. And here we can see the share price of Mullen Automotive, and the second chart shows the share count, number of shares outstanding. And for now, we have the exact number, the latest number is 643.376 thousand shares outstanding. But as far as I understand, it is not the latest data, it is the data that was disclosed back in just, I think, a couple of weeks ago. And for now, we might have more than 1 billion shares outstanding for this stock. And let me show you some misleading information. First of all, I want to pay your attention that Cal from Financial Journey is still trying to confuse some of his viewers, because right here in this video, in this latest video, when he stated Mullen that Vanguard increased its position by 81%, he refers to this information, and we are in fintel.io. This website tracks the activity from institutional investors in certain assets, and he pointed to this string. As you can see, on July 14th, they published this data that they own 82.5 million shares, and they increased the share count by 80.64%. And the total value of their position becomes $10.833 million. But guys, I have to say that Cal is lying to you, and he definitely knows that it is not the, as you can see, 13F statement. It is a 13F amendment. And if you click on this icon, you will see this document, and you will see that this amendment that was made on July 14th, it refers to the end of March 2023. And definitely this number, this data was more than 4 months ago. And this means this share count is a pre-split share count. And for now, they have less than $500,000 in Mullen. And on top of that, let me show you that they have an allocation of 0.0003%, and previously they had 0.0004%. This means they reduced its position regarding their allocated funds. And if you compare it with the more, more familiar numbers, you can count it like this. If you have $10,000 to invest in any companies on the market, you have to invest in Mullen only $3. And how important for Vanguard is this company? It is near to nothing for them to invest in Mullen. On top of that, when they will disclose their recent position, definitely I think they will have 0 shares allocated in Mullen, and this means Vanguard might even close their position, already closed their position. On top of that, let me show you another red flag, and I want to show you this video that was made by Carbon Mix just 2 days ago, and this video is titled Mullen Automotive, David Misery is a con artist. And it is about 20 minutes long video where the Carbon Mix made a very good due diligence regarding Mullen. And the most important part, in my opinion, that not so many people know about the CEO of Mullen Automotive is the David Misery's previous experience. And it is not his first company that he tries to rob, and I cannot find any other words that they want to rob his own company, and he wants to rob his shareholders. Because let me show you this. David Misery received from September of 2022 till present day more than $44.4 million in stock-based compensation, and it is without his official salary. On top of that, he wanted to switch the registration from Delaware to Maryland, and the main reason why he wanted to do it is this one. We are on linkedin.com website, and this article was published on October of 2019. And it says 10 reasons to consider incorporating in Maryland instead of Delaware. And I want to pay attention on just a couple of bullet points. Ability of Maryland Corporation to increase authorized shares without stockholder approval under optional charter provision. This means David Misery can increase the number without asking anybody. And definitely a lot of people want to vote no on the proposal number 4 that should be on the annual meeting of stockholders. And as you can see, proposal number 4 is to approve the conversion of Mullen Automotive Incorporated from a Delaware corporation to a Maryland corporation. And I have to say that it is not so important how you will vote on this proposal, because the deal is done. And let me show you this. I've showed you this previously. And David Mishry has more than 30% of voting power. And with 4 our insiders who are highly dependent on David Mishry, they combined have more than 57.6% of Mullen's vote power. And this means they can vote for any proposals. And this means this deal is done and nothing will change. So guys, I have to say that I don't have any positions in Mullen, and I didn't have any. And I just want to pay your attention that this company is a very bad company from the investor standpoint. You definitely might benefit from it, from its price action, if you know how to short the stock or if you know how to catch these bounces. And I caught several bounces back in the days, and definitely it might be quite lucrative for you. But in general, if you want to buy and hold this stock, it doesn't worth your attention. And it's up to you what should you do with your own money. But I have to say that for now, more than 28 people already contacted me to say thank you, because my videos help them to protect their capital. And this is the main reason why I'm doing these videos. So I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you.